Save water. Save time. Save money. Introducing the Optima Steamer. There are a multitude of applications for cleaning and sanitizing using vapor steam. Due to the fact that it is safe, environmentally friendly, and powerful, it is an ideal alternative to traditional cleaning methods. The Optima Steamer is currently being used successfully for a number of different applications, including mobile car wash, commercial cleaning, winery sanitization, bed bug removal, and so much more. Our powerful, user-friendly line of industrial dry vapor steam machines will help you easily comply with regulatory codes and laws, such as Food Safety Modernization Act, all while saving time, saving resources and saving money. Whatever your food processing sanitation needs are, spot cleaning, CIP, COP, SIP, SOP, or even specifically conveyor belt cleaning and sanitation, the Optima Steamer is the right choice. With no chemicals and no wastewater runoff, the Optima Steamer is the most efficient cleaning solution for most industries. If you need more information, please email to sales@sjecorp.com.